Healthcare can be so confusing, and I get asked all the time, how does health insurance even work in America? And so today in this video, I'm going to explain how health insurance works in 2020. So right now, ever since the Affordable Care Act, or that set up the ACA Marketplace, sometimes people call it Obamacare, these insurance companies started to be regulated by the government. And so these insurance companies, in order to sell on this marketplace that was created, they have to do certain things. So they have to take everybody and put everybody into the same pool of people. So just picture kind of everybody sitting at the same table, right? You've got healthy people, you've got people that are not so healthy. And unfortunately in America, people tend to wait until they actually have a health issue to buy health insurance. And so you've got all these people at a table paying for all these other people at the table. And so the prices, obviously, they just keep getting higher and higher. And then the healthier people that don't ever use their insurance, they end up dropping out of the system altogether, which makes the prices even go higher. So what have insurance companies done to actually try to keep the prices down where they're still affordable? Well, they've done a couple of things. They've limited the networks, and so that kind of limits your access to doctors and hospitals. So there's a lot of HMOs, which are health maintenance organizations, and EPOs, which are exclusive provider organizations. These give you very limited access to the doctors and hospitals that you want. Sometimes you'll have hospital A in your city that's in network, and then hospital B will be out of network. Also, if you travel, you probably won't be covered or have very limited coverage. That's how they've been able to make it a little bit more affordable. And the second way is a lot of the plans that are semi-affordable now have extremely high deductibles, or they have co-insurance from the very beginning. So covered doesn't necessarily mean free anymore on these plans. So for example, if somebody has, let's say, a bronze level plan, so the plans on the marketplace are bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So let's say you have a bronze plan, which is one of the more affordable ones. Though that plan is probably gonna have a pretty high deductible, probably around $8,000. So let's say your deductible is $8,000 and you're on this plan. You are going to be paying out of pocket until you meet that $8,000 for the insurance company to kick in and cover anything. And you're gonna be paying the contracted rate. So you're going to be paying out of pocket for your monthly premium, and also you're gonna be paying everything until you reach that $8,000, and then the insurance will kick in. So healthy people usually have less than $5,000 of claims in 1 year. So for a healthy person, they're never gonna really make use of their insurance unless something really major happens. So this seems like a broken system that doesn't have a solution. Well, there is an alternative, and that is underwritten private coverage. So in the past couple years, I've been doing really, really great with these plans. And the premise is you take these healthy people, let's just say a family of 4, healthy, doesn't go to the doctor often, they wanna be covered in case something really bad happens, they don't wanna have the super high deductible. They're not afraid to pay a little bit as they go here and there, okay? And they make an agreement to get into this certain coverage that they're gonna leave out certain things: pregnancy, drug and alcohol rehab, mental health issues. They'll private pay for stuff like that if they need it, but they'll agree that their insurance doesn't have to cover that, okay? They all have the same goal. They wanna keep their insurance premium down, and they get to go to any doctor or hospital that they want, and they have direct access to that. So they get the huge network with direct access, so no limited networks like with those marketplace plans. But they do get, a lesser of a price, and there are some limitations, but they agree on those limitations. So one of the biggest benefits of having underwritten coverage is that you're locked in. So you get on the plan when you're healthy, your rates are pretty low, and then no matter what happens to you down the road, you're going to be locked into that plan until you're 65. Guaranteed renewable plans. You don't really see that too much, and you don't see that on the marketplace at all, where you have to re-sign up for plans every single year. The prices tend to go up and you're not really protected, but with underwritten coverage, you are protected price-wise and also health-wise. So if you're interested in learning more about underwritten coverage and seeing whether it might fit for your family, reach out to me at alexandracontos.com. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment.